first to make the video.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to make my Lego Black Op guy. Okay. The part you'll need is this, one of the little hats, any face, and then a black body or a body, and then you can just color on with black, and yeah, that's what I did with that guy. And then, so, take this, and you put the head on, like that, and that, and that's my Lego Black Op, and then his gun looks like this. You take this piece, a gun, and then this, a hand, and then one of these pieces. Then you take these two, put that on like that, and take this, and turn it like that, and put it on like that. There. And that's my Lego Black Op. Now that you've done the Lego Black Op, there's ways that you can make black shirt things or whatever. The way I did it, I took something that was, one of them that was black on the back and the sides, and then it was sort of black, so then take one of these and a Sharpie, and then take off the arms. So there's his arms. Then you take this part, take the Sharpie, and then you just do this. Like that. So now it's all dark, but that's still wet, so just need to blow that off a little. So there's that, and then if you need to, just put a few more dabs on that so you can't see what's under it.